probably describe Matthews as the perfect partner for GS1. We've had a very long relationship and there's a mutual respect there.
And I think for me it's the professionalism of that organisation which really helps us. Their speed to market, their innovation, their ability to adapt to an ever-changing environment means they're an extremely unique partner.
I think Matthews, for me, is a good example of how to deal with customers. I look at the way they respond to emails, respond to phone calls, looping in other people within a company if you make an inquiry. Just their customer service is spot on.
Knowledgeable and committed to having successful customers. Not only do I consider the folks at Matthews Australasia as one of our most critical channel partners, I value the personal relationships developed with the team.
They've given us a package of equipment that was quite affordable in what we wanted to do, and meant that we can actually grow our business without too high investment in a lot of expensive equipment.
Matthews really understood what we needed better than we did, and were able to propose a great solution for us.
Oh look, the Matthews system has been brilliant for this. It gives us real-time information. We can analyse that hour by hour. We can pinpoint where our stoppages are. And through this process, we've been able to improve our ROE significantly as we go through the commissioning stage of the process.
Matthews Australasia have continued to innovate by bringing on the best products available for their markets and integrate them seamlessly so that they can support them well and make sure that their customers are successful.
I've worked in 4 different continents, and honestly, I've never seen such a professional company like Matthews Australasia. They are really the market leader in industrial coding, not only in Australia, New Zealand, and the region. No, globally, they are setting the gold standard, and that's why this is our perfect partner.
I think Matthews stands out in the Australian industry because of the way that they deal with customers in particular. They have a wonderful style about the way they operate and the way that they deal with customers. They're also very committed to R&D, so they invest, which is very, very important. And also they do a lot of work in introducing global standards into their solutions.
When we originally started packing treats, it didn't take us long to figure out that we didn't want to become a packaging company and hold lots of packaging. Matthews came in, took a look at our business and showed us how we could print packaging and keep our costs to a minimum. It's allowed us to use overprinting on generic packaging, which enables us to put product very quickly into the market without becoming a packaging company and waiting long periods for packaging to be printed to come into the business. So within 24 hours, we can have a brand new product in the market that meets all the packaging requirements, ready to sell.
Matthews' expertise in the industry is extensive and unrivaled in their region. We have a long history working with Matthews Australasia, and they were the obvious choice to partner with.
Really, most importantly to us, fantastic after sales service. They support us moving forward.
Solutions flexibility, short delivery times, and extraordinary customer service create an offer difficult to beat.